tomorrow we're going to Nick Janusa's house to ride. I think Joel's coming out, Nick Moser, and Dane Molander. It's going to be a good time. Got the old 2006 450R kind of ready to go. So going to ride, have a little bit of fun, and see how it goes.
Dude's just rushing to get any advantage he can get on me today. I don't want to hear it. He doesn't like the fact that I've been riding here for 2 hours today. Now he shows up.
Hey, just like we get the turkey derby. Dude, cheats.
Gotta learn how to say it first.
Dude's a cheater, always has been.
Listen, just like when he wins all the time, people accuse him of cheating. I get it. It's the only thing I'm winning on right now is a 90. Okay. I get it.
What's up, Gloops?
When's the last time you rode?
About 3 weeks ago, and then before that about 4 months, and then before that about 4 years.
How does it feel to be a retired ex-pro quad rider?
Feels good. Knowing I have to go to work on Monday, I don't come out and do no stupid stuff, or at least most of the time, but we'll still probably go out and try and do some stupid things, especially since you're here.
Nine and a half years since I've been on a motocross track. That's all we got.
So we built this new double this morning, so what I had in mind is the double goes over the practice hole shot lane. So I'm thinking 2 guys are hitting the double, and then 2 guys are taking off the gate. Zoom in at the gate right there, what I'm talking about. See that? So you can't see the double, it's hidden. We're gonna be jumping over the guys on the gate. That's the point.
Don't even have to lay down.
Don't even have to lay down. Park the motorhome under there long ways. Might be the most blown out I've seen this track yet.
What do you think of that new ride so far?
Oh man, new ride's fast. Super rough out here again. Always is. I don't know what's up with the track guy. He don't groom it, but No, it's super sick right now. Bike's working awesome. Just getting used to it out in the sand. You know, I haven't rode it much, so this is new. Getting the feels in, getting comfortable on it, having some fun doing it. Got some booters out here today.
This thing sputtered. Was it sputter for you?
Hey, you scared my back.
think that's making it not engaged the whole way, or they're smoked?
They're smoked, but this will help so you can ride it without, like, you just can't touch it. Like, they're gonna be smoked regardless. The clutches are junk, but if you loosen that up, it'll help so you can actually ride. You can get it like riding it good, and you like just pull away from me. And the last time, yeah, man, be there. I'm gonna have a new truck. Thank you guys so much. It's so great to see you. Well, thank you.
All right, we're ending the vlog here. Got Gloop here, who made the trip out today. RipitupFilms, fist pump. Come on. What'd you think of the track today?
The track was awesome. Obviously deep sand. It was way better with some rain, and we had a lot of fun.
Last time Gloop was here, he made the 250R video. Super dusty. About a month later, he comes out. We got like an inch of rain yesterday. Dirt was mint today, but pumped. They got the whole crew out with them. We got Don. Look, there he is. Zoom in. Oh, he can't zoom in. Got Don. Dane's in the back.
Somewhere.
And Wrench Guy. Where is he? He didn't hear it. Come on, playing. All right. Peace out. Thanks for coming, dude.